Hello, my name is Edith, and this is BASE Education. And today's lecture is about whole numbers, place value, rounding, and estimating. So, what we have learned is to the understanding of what a whole number is. Natural numbers is number that start with 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Whole number has a zero first, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. And each number is called a digit. For example, 347 has 3 digits. So we can also count numbers by 0, 1, 2, 3, by ones, or by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, or by 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, or by 1,000. And those all create a whole number. Let's talk about place value. A place value, each value after 3 digits has a comma. So we have the ones place, the thousand place, and the million place. And each place value has its own value to describe each digit. For example, 1,254 in standard form can also have the following place value. The 254 is the 1, but the 4 is the 1 place value. The 5, which becomes 50, is the 10 place value. 200 becomes the 100 place value, and 1,000 is the 1,000 place value. So you have 1,254. Another example, 52,347. 7 is the 1 place value. 47, which is 40, is the 10 place value. 347 is the 100 place value. 2,000 is the 1,000 place value. And 50,000 is the 10,000 place value. And all of these are in standard form. And you can also create the base 10 to be able to guide the number, to be able to understand the numbers. So let's expand the numbers. 1,254, the expansion of that number is 1,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 4. Another example is 39,738, 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 8. Give you the expanded form. In Word, we have 1,254. Just make sure that you don't say and. And is based on decimal. So when you write, do not put and. 709. Let's do some rounding. So in rounding, we need, first of all, need to know the place value. We need to circle the place value so that it's easier for us to understand. Once we circle the place value, we'll be able to understand what number comes next after the place value. The number next to the place value will guide us to see if we're going to round the number up or the number will stay the same. Example, 1,254, we want to round it to the nearest 10, and the 10 place is the 5, which becomes 50. The number next to is the 4. So since the 4 is less than 5, the 5 stays the same number. In addition, if the number next to the place value is more than 5, we're going to add 1 to the place value. But since 1,254, the digit 4 is less than 5, the 5 is the number stays the same. So let's round the next number, 73,865 to the nearest 10. The 6 is the 10th place, and we circle that and we look at the next number. Since the next number is 5 or more, we increase the 6 1 and becomes 7. And we have 73,870. Similarly, If we want to round the same number to the nearest 1,000, the digit 3 is the 1,000, and we look at the next number. Since the next number, which is the 8, is more than 5, the 3 goes up 1 and it becomes 4, and we have 74,000. 4,967, we round that to the nearest 100. The digit 9 is the place value. However, since the next number, which is the 6, is 5 or more, we're going to add 1 to the 9, so it becomes 49 plus 1, which becomes 50. So our final answer is 5,000. We place every other number of zeros to guide you. So let's try to estimate. In estimation, we first have to round each number. Do not add or subtract or multiply or divide first. Always round each number first. Then we compute by adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So let's do the following example. Example 1, estimate the sum by rounding each number to the nearest 10. 56 plus 78 plus 42. So 56 to the 10 is 60, 78 becomes 80, 42 becomes 40, and the total sum is 180. So the following example, 2,832 minus 697, rounding to the nearest 100, to estimate is 2,800 minus 700, and we have 2,100, 2,100. Similarly, in a multiplication, we have 5,000 multiplied by 3,000 after we finish estimating to the nearest 1,000. And also in division, we want to round to the nearest 10, and we put the values, the digit in red, 659 divided by 23. So it becomes 660 divided by 20, and our final result is 330. You can also do some problem solving. Note that by knowing the sign and the translation is going to be easier for you to do the problem solving. So for example, Samuel scored 99, 84, 100, 55, 72, and 31 in his math exam. Round each number to the nearest 10 to estimate the total. So we round each number, which we got as 100 plus 80 plus 100 plus 60 plus 70 plus 30, and we got a total of 440. So estimation can be part of rounding as well. And you can estimate, but the most important stuff is to know the keyword. And the keyword is what we learned earlier on the table. You have to know what difference is, what addition is, what product is, and what times is, what's twice, what's ratio, and so on and so forth, for you to be able to understand any problem solving. Thank you very much, and see you next time.